Welcome back, Steve. Al Metal Dryer Event, almetaldryerevent.com. Y'all know the drill, man. Boom, 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 boom. All right, so at a nice house today, man. Dryer's downstairs, runs through the crawl space. I already fixed, they had an issue behind the dryer. I already fixed it because I had to make sure I could do that part before. But you guys will see that here in a second. And these guys are kind of on a time crunch, so I was trying to be respectful. So other than that, let's get into it. All right, so as you guys can see, I mean, that's in great shape. I mean, what else could you ask for? So, new machine though. Check that. Not too bad. Hard to do this one-handed though. All right, well, you see what I'm doing. I'm just cleaning this off. We'll be back. And like normal, time dry. I try to get everybody to use time dry. Forget these guys. These are sensors. Figure out how long it takes you to dry a load of clothes. You should be done between 40 and 50 minutes, okay? But this bypasses all the sensors, time dry. So I'm gonna just turn it on to where she'll stay on, and let's get to it. All right, so like normal, I've gotta go and I've gotta find this dryer or dryer vent. It shouldn't be here, it should be farther back around in the house, but you never know these days, man. So we're gonna keep going. Oh, but they said it's in a well. Ah, there it is. Look at there. Oh, shoot. Sorry, guys. Here we go. So, I mean, doesn't look too bad. I mean, that stuff out, but as you guys know, there's only one way to find out, folks. Let's do it. Hey guys, take a second, please, if you don't mind, hit that like button. If you're not subscribed, please think about subscribing. I'm just trying to amplify this message, guys, and it's all because of you guys. The channel's growing at a very rapid rate. Thank you. And I just about forgot, but I know old Mr. High Sierra Bob would be disappointed in me if I forgot. I don't know how we're gonna be able to see this one. I mean, it's 12 something, I can't see. It's 12 something, but I can't see far enough down. So, and I don't feel like removing this. I mean, there's no point in that. So, y'all ready to do this? See, there's a lot in the damper. Quite a bit, and this house was just purchased. Most of the time now, they force you to have the dryer vent cleaned out when the house is being sold. Not everywhere. You got some inspectors that have been on the job 30 days, some been 30 years. All depends on what kind of luck you draw when the inspector comes through. That's enough of my talking though. Let me see if that's getting a good enough angle. Maybe if I do like this, y'all bear with me for a second. See, that's all the way in. Because remember, we're not going, but on the other side of this, guys. So, look at that. That's a lot for such a short vent, guys. Wonder if I get it lower, if that'll help. May not look like a lot, guys, but for the oh man, see, and that's the issue when they're in those wells and it comes out, it shoots it all in your face, man. So no bueno, let's get to it. All right, now I want to run it through one more time just for S words and giggles, you know what I'm saying? I wonder if I put you guys down here, if it'll give you more of a better view. Oh, this thing's just gonna fall over. All right, well, I tried, folks. See that? I mean, nothing's coming out now, so it's a good clean vent. Oh man. All right, now to clean up. Okay, let's see if I can get this. I don't know. Well, y'all probably can see that. I can't see what it is, but I can tell it's way better just by the sound it's making. I can tell it's way better. Yeah. All right. Like I was saying before, guys, the duct wasn't protruding out far enough into the room. It was stuck about an inch back behind here. So now we've got a great transition of air. And y'all saw, I mean, it's moving a ton of air. All right, boys and girls, as always, I appreciate you watching. Steve, Al Metal Dryer Vent, almetaldryervent.com. See this? We need that right now more than ever in our country, guys. America's a beautiful place. Let's stop all this stuff. See you next time.